You've recently received an artificial hip and you're experiencing pain, swelling, difficulty walking, or some other problems. My name's Dan Burke and I'm a lawyer at Parker Waichman in New York, and we handle orthopedic implant claims and claims concerning hip implants and knee implants in particular all the time. Recently, a company known as Smith Nephew, which makes a hip system known as the R3 system, issued a recall. And what the recall was for the metal liner that fits inside the acetabular cup. Okay, the way a hip implant works is that there is a cup that's placed into the pelvis, and then a ball, typically a metal ball, is placed on the end of a stem, which is drilled into the femur, or the long bone of the body. And when the metal ball fits into the cup, it acts to mimic your normal hip joint. Sometimes these cups are what's known as a monoblock system, and sometimes they have a cup that's implanted, a metal cup that's implanted with different types of liner materials. The particular recall concerning the Smith Nephew problem is a metal liner, and this metal liner is placed inside the metal cup, and the metal ball that's attached to the stem rubs against that metal liner and can cause a host of problems. Smith Nephew issued the recall, and their justification for the recall is that up to 1.6% of these have failed per year since their inception in 2007. We believe that these metal balls and metal liners can also articulate together, rub together, and cause problems such as metallosis, which leads to inflammation in the body, potentially things such as cancer, as well as loosening of the implant and the potential need for revision surgery. If you've received a hip implant of any type and you're experiencing any problems, I want you to pick up the phone, give us a call. I deal with questions concerning defective hip implants on a daily basis, and I think we can help you out. Again, my name's Dan Burke. I'm a lawyer at Parker Waichman in New York. Thanks so much for your time.